Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn accounting Excel step by step. We'll begin by exploring the core Excel functions crucial for financial tasks, like SUM, average, and count. You'll learn how to structure your data clearly, using proper formatting for readability and accuracy. We'll also cover some time-saving keyboard shortcuts that will significantly speed up your work, making your accounting processes much more efficient from the start. Next, we'll dive into powerful functions that are indispensable for accounting professionals. You'll master VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP to efficiently pull specific data from large tables. We'll also explore IF statements, which allow you to apply conditional logic to your financial calculations. Furthermore, you'll learn how to create and manipulate pivot tables, a fantastic tool for summarizing and analyzing extensive accounting data with ease. Now, let's focus on turning raw data into meaningful insights and reports. You'll learn to construct clear and accurate financial statements, such as income statements and balance sheets. We'll also cover data validation techniques to prevent errors and maintain data integrity in your spreadsheets. Finally, you'll discover how to effectively use charts and graphs to visualize financial trends, making your reports more impactful and easier to understand for stakeholders. To truly elevate your accounting Excel skills, we'll touch upon advanced features like macros, which can automate repetitive tasks and save you countless hours. We'll also discuss how Excel can integrate with various accounting software, streamlining your entire workflow. Remember to check the description for links to other helpful resources and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a spotless home. Keep practicing these techniques to become an Excel accounting expert.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.